Van Leeuwenhoek. Biography, birth and early life. Anton Van Leeuwenhoek was born on October 24, 1632, in Delft, Netherlands. He had no formal higher education and worked as a draper, which eventually led him to develop an interest in lens making. Self-taught scientist. Leeuwenhoek was largely self-taught in science. He used his skills in lens grinding to create powerful microscopes, which were far superior to those available at the time. Contributions. 1. Microscope development. Leeuwenhoek developed simple microscopes with single lenses that could magnify objects up to 300 times their original size. His microscopes were handmade and had much better resolution than the compound microscopes of his era. 2. Discovery of microorganisms. Using his microscopes, Leeuwenhoek was the first to observe and describe a variety of microorganisms, which he called animalcules. His discoveries included bacteria, protozoa, sperm cells, red blood cells, and the structure of muscle fibers. He discovered live cells. He observed and documented the movement of these microorganisms, providing detailed drawings and descriptions. 3. Communication with the scientific community. Leeuwenhoek corresponded with the Royal Society of London, sharing his findings through detailed letters. These letters were published in the Society's journal, bringing his discoveries to the attention of the broader scientific community. His meticulous documentation and innovative techniques laid the foundation for the field of microbiology. 4. Impact on cell theory. His observations and documentation of microscopic life forms were crucial in advancing the understanding of cell structure and function, contributing significantly to the development of cell theory.